Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the add to home screen icon glitch on Android. So if the add to home screen option missing or not working on your Android phone in Chrome, you don't need to worry. This is a simple step-by-step to fix and to bring it back fast. So first, let's just clean things up. You can just go to the app setting on your phone. So let's clear the Chrome cache and data first. You can scroll down until you find apps. Sorry, this one, and find Chrome. Click on storage and cache and hit on clear cache. And if that doesn't help, you can try to clear the storage, but this will reset Chrome, so only do it if needed. Second one, you can try to update the Google Chrome, so make sure Chrome is updated. You can open the Play Store and then search for Google Chrome. And here, if you see update, you can just tap on update. Bugs in an old version can cause this glitch, so make sure that it is updated. Second one, you can also check the website. So the add to home screen icon only works on website that's supported. So make sure you are visiting a site like PWA enabled pages or even simple static sites, not PDFs or certain redirect links. And next one, you can also try the long press method. If you're still stuck, you can try this. You can tap on the three dots menu in Chrome and long press on the add to home screen options. Let's try this one, for example. This one, you can just long press on it. On some phones, this trigger the missing pop-up. And there you go. Your add to home screen icon should now be back and working. Drop a comment if it worked for you, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more fixes and Android tips. Bye. Sorry, I forgot. And also don't forget to click on the thanks button below, and I'll catch you all on the next and more tutorials on Android or on other apps tips.